Hello guys, and welcome to the APG Toys. Today we have these 3 giant Spiderman Play-Doh surprise eggs with toys inside. I am the Superior Spider-Man and I am the Proto-Sweet Spider-Man, and together we'll open the eggs. We have the green Spider-Man, we have the blue Spider-Man, and we have the yellow Spider-Man. So let's open it up. Now let's start with the yellow Spider-Man. Let's open it up and let's see the surprises. And inside we have a lot of toys. So let's see the first one. This is katana, but we have the sword inside. So this is katana character with his sword. Very nice and cool. Now let's see the next one. Here we have the Black Widow character. Also very cool. You know this from the Avengers movie. Now let's see the next one. And here we have the Wonder Woman. This is the Wonder Woman. Very nice and cool toy. Now, the next one. We have the Batgirl from Batman series. This is the Batgirl. It has backpack on his back with a bat. Very cool. And here we have the Supergirl from Superman movie. This is the Supergirl. Red cape. Very nice. Now let's open the green egg and let's see the surprises. And wow, we have so many superheroes inside. Very cool. Let's see the first one. This is Captain Marvel pocket top keychain. Let's open it up. And this is Captain Marvel. Very cool. Now the next toy, we have the powerful Hulk. So many muscle. It's very angry. Very nice and cool toy, don't you think? Now let's see the next character. And we have the Black Panther. You'll know this one from the Avengers movie. This is the Black Panther. Very nice. The next one we have the Captain America. This is the Captain America. Epson. Now, the next one is Iron Man. This is the Iron Man Tony Stark. Very nice toy. Very well made. Super. Now, here we have the bad guy Thanos. This is the Thanos character. This one is very powerful villain. But all the bad guys lose at the end. And the next one, we have the Spiderman character. This is the classic Spiderman. This video it's about Spiderman, so here it is. Very nice. And it's time to open the last egg, the blue Spider-Man surprise. Let's open it up. And inside we have a lot of superhero from Spider-Man series. And let's see the black sweet Spider-Man. This is the Spider-Man. And if I press the backpack, he shoots the web. Very nice Spidey. Let's see the next one. Sorry for that. This is Miles Morales, Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse. Miles Morales. Very cute character also. Now, the next one we have the Spider-Man. This is our Spidey, a red and blue Spidey. Go Spidey, go! Nice. The next one is the Spider-Gwen from the Spider-Verse. This is the Spider-Gwen. Spider-Man girlfriend. Very nice. And the last one, we have the Anya Corazon from Spider-Man series. This is Anya Corazon. Also his backpack. Very nice and cool. He is very beautiful. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please thumb up. Until next time, bye.